هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله. That is the purpose of the advent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and how he prepared people for that task, gigantic task, Himalayan task, that is given here. يَتْلُو عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِهِ وَيُزَكِّيهِمْ وَيُعَلِّمُهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْحِكْمَةَ. That is why you find, just as that ayah of Surah As-Saf, we saw it when we were studying Surah As-Saf, it has been repeated thrice in the Quran. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. Ayah number 33 of Surah At-Tawbah. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله وكفى بالله شهيدا. Ayah 28 of Surah Al-Fath. هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون. Ayah number 9 of Surah As-Saf. In the same way, the main or essential wordings and the terminology used in this ayah number 2 of Surah Al-Jumu'ah, it has appeared in the Quran 4 times. This can give you an idea how important it is to understand the methodology. As I said in some of my lectures before also, that to do something, there is a definite method to do it. You cannot, get the results without you are using and the technique that is necessary. That is the way that it should be done. If you are not adopting it, then you may be very sincere, you may be very hardworking, but you won't get the results. I gave you the example. There's a particular season in which wheat can be sowed, and then only you can hope for the harvest. But if you are sowing the seeds of the wheat in wrong season, you may be very sincere, you may be very hardworking, but you will not get the harvest, because you have not taken to the true methodology. So actually the purpose of the advent of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam we are finding thrice in the Quran, but his basic methodology has been repeated 4 times in the Quran. So that can give you an understanding of the measure of the importance of this methodology.